Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to convert a PDF file to a book and how to put it online. First we open the program Flip PDF. We get this screen. We go to new project and we choose HTML5. Okay. Then from here we choose the file of the PDF file and we choose the original file. We don't reverse the pages to work with Arabic. We choose the English copy for it because the program will help us use it with Arabic books. Then we import it from here. Import now. Here we're going to change three things: the logo, the language, and the place of the book, and we take off the flash from it. So the language, we change the language. We write language. It should be right to left, the language. We write language here. The setting will appear here. Right to left. Right to left, we choose yes. Right to left, as it is in Arabic. If English, left to right. So this is the first thing we change. The language. Right to left. Language. Right to left, yes. Then the next setting will change logo. We are going to change this logo. The logo image here. We click here and we choose the logo that we wanna choose. For example, this logo here. And after we change it, after each change, we click apply changes above here. It's not. Let me see if I can show it. Okay, apply changes. So let's save our changes. As you see here, the logo, and then the book. Yes, it is right to left now. Okay, then we are going to publish it, and during the publishing we'll choose the place of the book and take off the flash. Okay, we go to the publishing. Let me raise the screen up. Publish to flash and HTML5. Okay, we choose the destination here. I name this book, let us say, I make a new, let us say book 8, but you name it what the book name. What is the book name? You name it. So 8, book 8. Okay, let me just copy the to show. Okay, book 8. Select the folder. Oh. All right, we name this index index, like here, file name, index. Then here, HTML flash, we choose only HTML5, as we don't recreate thumb image as well. So we choose the book where we wanna put the book here. We name this index. We the title, we can name the book here. What is the book title? Then we choose HTML5 only, recreate some image, and that's it. Convert. So we are done. We go to our book here 8, and we send the developer this zip folder. We keep the rest as backup, but we send the developer this book folder, this one, zip folder, and that's it. That's all. Thank you.